everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. In the last video of our Stepn tutorial, we learned a tool which helps us to calculate our return of investment and make the best point distribution. In today's chapter, we will learn the energy and earning cap system. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. Also, you can join our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram and Telegram in order to get every content that we share. If you're ready, let's start. We will start with the definitions. Energy system is one of the most crucial things in Stepn application because without energy, you cannot earn GST. While walking or running, you spend your energy to earn GST, and earning cap is the limit of GST that you can earn in a day. You can find them on the main page of your application. As you can see from this photo, the orange bar which is at the upside shows you your daily earning cap, and the blue bar which is at the downside shows your energy. These limitations are needed because, as you know, there is no maximum supply of GST. So application is limiting the amount of GST which goes into the circulation each day, and they are burning most of those tokens with the ways we have mentioned in the second chapter of our Stepn tutorial. Don't forget to watch that video too. You can find the link to our tutorial in the descriptions of this video. Now let's dive deeper into these systems. There are base energy levels for each pair of sneakers that you own. If you have only one, and if it's common, your base energy limit will be 2. There are ways to increase your energy cap up to 20. And also, you can increase your GST earning cap up to 300 per day. You can increase that by burning GMT tokens when you reach 90% of your maximum daily limit. I'm talking about the maximum limit of 300. When you reach the 90% of your 300 limit, you can increase that amount by burning GMT tokens. Now let's come back to the energy cap and learn how can we increase that limit. As you can see on my screen, with the specific numbers of sneakers that you own, your energy cap will be higher. For example, if you have only one common shoe, your cap will be 2. But if you have 3 common sneakers, your energy cap will be increased to 4. And also, there are bonuses for rare sneakers. With each uncommon sneaker, you will get extra 1 energy cap per day. With a rare one, the bonus becomes 2. Epic gives you 3, while a legendary sneaker gives you extra 4 energy. So, while you can get extra energy with buying more sneakers, you can get additional energy with buying rare ones. You can see the examples in the same screen. I will leave this website's link in the descriptions of this video so that you can easily check out. By the way, this website is Stepn's white paper, so every data and information in here is official and 100% true unless a new update comes to the application and they change the white paper. And also, the last thing of the energy system is that in every 6 hours, your energy will be replenished by 25%. So in a day, your energy will be recovered completely. If you are buying a sneaker for the first time, your energy will be 0. Don't forget that too. In a day, your energy will be completely replenished. And also, you can start running or walking in the end of the first 6 hours to try the application. In the next chapter, we will learn the gems and socket system which gives us bonus attributes. And this is the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.